The Hspdp on Thursday released its manifesto and also the second candidate list for the ensuing assembly polls in the state. Talking about the manifesto, Hspdp President KP Pangnang said that the party will continue with its demand for a separate Khasi Jain state as per Article 371 of the Constitution. Pangnang said the party will oppose railways unless a mechanism to check influx is put in place, besides also opposing any proposal for uranium mining. The Hspdp president further said that they will aggressively pursue the need to solve the long-pending interstate boundary dispute with Assam. The four names in the second list includes sitting party MDC Martel and Mukim from Mokenro constituency, veteran journalist S.J.L. Badagaset from Mausenram, W. Sotun from Maurinkeneng and S. Rintatang from Soyong. The party has so far released names of 11 poll candidates.
Foremost issue is to bring clean government, corruption-free government. With regard for employment in the state,
The sitting MLA